This video is going to show you how to make pepperoni and cheese garlic sandwiches. What we're going to do is butter one side of our bread, put it in the skillet, put our skillet on medium heat, put pepperoni on it, and pizza cheese on top, just like that. I'm using the garlic butter that I showed you how to make in a previous video when we made homemade cheesy bread. And then we put the top piece on after we butter it. We butter our top piece and lay it on top. Again, I'm using the garlic butter that we made when we did our cheesy bread. And then we grill it until it's golden brown. We have flicked our sandwiches over. They're starting to get nice and brown. The cheese is melting inside. This is our Italian bread, garlic butter, pepperoni and cheese grilled sandwich. This is my quick way of making cheesy bread, because you just put the garlic butter on the bread and fry it with the pepperoni and cheese on the inside, and it's a quick way to have cheesy bread with pepperoni. And you didn't have to make the bread or anything. It takes about 5 minutes for it to cook on medium heat. You want it brown on both sides, and the cheese melted, and it is ready to eat. All you needed was Italian bread, some garlic butter, pepperoni of your choice, and cheese of your choice. I use mozzarella, and you got yourself a quick and easy pepperoni and cheese garlic bread sandwich. I hope you like my recipe for quick and easy garlic bread pepperoni and cheese sandwiches. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy your pepperoni and cheese sandwiches.